today. And it is the first time that I have been invited to a function like this. And we all know that the first time is always a memorable one. Even in my school, on school days, we all want speeches to end very fast and the cultural programs to start. So, I will keep my speech really short so that the cultural programs can start. In this speech, I will talk about three things. The first is to dream big. The second is to avoid gadgets and embrace books. And the third is to enjoy the process. ഇനി ഞാനിത് മലയാളത്തിൽ പറയാം. കാരണം ഞാനൊരു കുഞ്ഞായിരുന്നപ്പോൾ ആൾക്കാർ എന്നോട് ഇംഗ്ലീഷ് പറയുമ്പോൾ ഞാൻ കണ്ണും പിഴിച്ച് നിന്നിട്ടുണ്ട്. ഇവിടെ കുറേ പേർ കുട്ടികളാരും കാണുന്നില്ല, പക്ഷേ ബാക്ക് സ്റ്റേജിൽ നിന്ന് അവർ കേൾക്കും എന്ന് ഞാൻ വിശ്വസിക്കുന്നു. അപ്പോൾ ആദ്യത്തെ കാര്യം എന്ന് വെച്ചാൽ നിങ്ങൾ നിറയെ സ്വപ്നം കാണണം. സ്വപ്നം കാണുന്നതാണ് വിജയത്തിലേക്കുള്ള ആദ്യത്തെ സ്റ്റെപ്പ്. രണ്ടാമത്തത്, നിങ്ങൾ ടാബ്ലറ്റും ഫോണും നോക്കുന്നത് നിർത്തണം. അതിന് പകരം നിങ്ങൾ പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ വായിക്കണം. പുസ്തകങ്ങൾ വായിക്കുന്നതാണ് പഠിച്ചു മിടുക്കനാവാനുള്ള ഏറ്റവും എളുപ്പമുള്ള വഴി. ഇവിടെ പഠിക്കുന്ന മിക്കവർക്കും പെപ്പ പിഗ് കാണാൻ ഏറ്റവും ഇഷ്ടമായിരിക്കും. അതിന് പകരം പെപ്പ പിഗിൻ്റെ പുസ്തകങ്ങളും വായിക്കാമല്ലോ, അതിലെ കുറച്ചും കൂടെ നല്ലത്. മൂന്നാമത്തതും അവസാനമായി പറയാനുള്ളത് എൻജോയ് ദ പ്രോസസ്. എനിക്കറിയാം നിങ്ങളെല്ലാം വലുതാവുമ്പോൾ മിടുക്കന്മാർ ആവും. ഏത് ഫീൽഡാകട്ടെ, പഠിത്തത്തിലോ ഡാൻസിലോ സ്പോർട്സിലായാലും കുറേ മണിക്കൂറുകൾ അതിനുവേണ്ടി പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. അതുകൊണ്ട് നിങ്ങൾ എൻജോയ് ചെയ്തും സന്തോഷമായി അത് പ്രാക്ടീസ് ചെയ്യണം. That's it. All the best for everybody who's performing today. And for everything that you do in life. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Dr. Babu George. That was enlightening. Thank you, Siddharth. Now, the beauty and the brain behind Pumpkin Patch. I would like Mrs. Veena Santosh to say a few words.
They say, don't ask him to live in your world. Visit his world instead. A sweet and simple world indeed. A very good evening to one and all, and a very warm welcome to all present here. I extend my hearty welcome to Sir Babu George, Dr. Babu George, Director CDC, and our little chief guest, Siddharth Kumar Gopal, his parents, grandmother, and his little sister, Bhuvana. Thank you so much for coming here. I also invite our parents, grandparents of Pumpkin Patch, our teachers, neighbors of Pumpkin Patch, our friends, our staff, and last but not the least, our little pumpkins who are here today. Welcome to the 4th annual day celebrations of the Pumpkin Patch School. We rightly call our children our sunshines. Sunshines laced with a little bit of hurricane. I hope you will agree with me for that. At Pumpkin Patch, we have sunshines laced with varying degrees of hurricane. You must have witnessed it now. We have some pumpkins with a little bit of hurricane, some sunshines, not pumpkins, sunshines with a little bit of hurricane, some with a lot more of hurricane. Jokes apart, we call them sunshines because they brighten our lives with their laughter and innocence. As we all know, that our little children need a lot of attention and time. I request the parents to give them as much time as they can. They say you spend twice as much time with your child and spend half as much money on them, and you will see them bloom and blossom. I'm sure all the parents want to see them bloom and blossom, So do spend a lot of quality time with your child. Our children learn from home, which is their primary social group. They interact with members of their own family. And then they mature socially and emotionally when they come out of their family and interact with people outside their home. So it's very important to send your child to places where they can interact with other people, and which is a preschool initially. In a preschool, he interacts with other children and he learns to handle minor conflicts of life. And the pumpkin patch, which will later equip him with the skills to cope up with major significant stress in life. So parents, push your child out of their comfort zones. Don't keep them in their homes, the comfort of your homes. Send them out, let them learn, and let them get prepared for the world outside. As we all know, that we all have to give, to see your child grow, you need to give them plenty of time. So set your mobiles aside. That's a personal request. Set your mobiles aside and be with your child in his growing years. We let them interact with children of all age groups, and our role is actually to get them ready for the world, for their future ahead. This, I think, and each and every child is special for us. For me, they are actually gifts from the God Almighty. So, with the motto of getting them prepared for the life ahead, we, along with our teachers, nurture these little minds to excellence. I'm glad to see you all here, sitting very patiently to watch your children perform. They are all ready here in their yellow sunshine costumes to put up a show for you. They have worked hard enough along with the teachers, the relentless effort of their teachers also. So please, parents, encourage them with a huge round of applause after each and every performance. So without much further ado, we would like to begin the show. Sit back, relax, enjoy the show. Have a very good evening. Thank you.
Last but not the least, I like you guys to put your hands together to invite Miss Gauri and Miss Preeta Pillai for the vote of thanks.
Principal, staff, caregivers, parents, and my dear students. Good evening to all of you.
Today, our words are not enough to express the gratitude. First of all, we thank the Almighty for making this day possible for us.
On behalf of our school, we would like to thank our guest of honor for the day, Dr. Babu George, Director of CBC, Trivandrum, and Master Siddharth Kumar Gopal, winner of Pradhan Mantri Rashtriya Bal Puraskar, has spared time from the busy schedule to grace the occasion. On behalf of the entire institution, we thank you from the bottom of our hearts. Here we would like to express our heartfelt gratitude to the guests of honor of today. Your eminent presence has indeed made this event a memorable one.
We express our deep sense of gratitude to our respected principal ma'am, Mrs. Asha Radhakrishnan, for your guidance in all our activities that ensure us to do the right thing in the right way. We place on record the goodness of the founders of Pumpkin Camp School for your systematic planning, timely execution, periodical monitoring, and unfailing support.
With deep sense of appreciation, we recall the efforts of our dear staff and caregivers. Your days of hard work will bear much fruit today. We thank you wholeheartedly for your stewardship. An event like this cannot take place overnight. The wheels started rolling weeks ago. Our sincere thanks to stage setters, photographers, sound and light engineers who added color and festivity to this event.
We on behalf of the Pumpkin Patch School now extend our sincere thanks to all the parents for our excellent competition. It has been soaring high and touching lives. Credit goes to your dear parents. Thank you for your solid support and words of appreciation.
Finally, we thank the blooming birds of the Pumpkin Patch School for their cute performance that will run through for various programs. They will really lift the audience off their feet. Last but not the least, I leave you this inspiring quote by Pandit Jawaharlal Nehru Achachaji. The children of today will make the India of tomorrow. The way we bring them will determine the future of the country. Thank you.
Dr. Babu and Siddharth on stage to receive the mementos, please. And our little ones are wondering why they aren't even on stage yet. Let's not keep them waiting. Nandana, can you do me the honors?
A very good evening to all gathered here. I, Nandana, welcome you all on behalf of the Pumpkin Patch family on the occasion of the 4th Annual Day celebrations. My friends and I have put in a lot of effort to put this show up for all of you. So please do not stop